So the Center of Biomedical Ethics and Culture at SIUT has been operational since 2004 and still remains the only center of bioethics in Pakistan. We have a collaboration going with the Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, by the name of CBEC-KEMRI Bioethics Training Initiative. And this offers various educational activities both in Kenya and in Pakistan. This is funded by the US NIH. Through this program, we are offering a bioethics pedagogy workshop here in Karachi at CBEC. This is a very new activity for various people who are involved in bioethics education in Pakistan. This will focus on teachers of bioethics who are teaching bioethics at various undergraduate or graduate levels to use most effectively the various pedagogical tools in engaging with their students and in making bioethics more interesting and relevant and contextual.